Welcome to WinVinaya InfoSystems. Our outsourcing services by inclusive team. Consulting and corporate training, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Power Platforms. Accessibility testing services, website, web applications, and mobile applications, WCAG 2.1 compliance. Document remediation, smart digitization of documents, through automation tools. Accessible formats, EPUB, PDF formats. Accounting and office automation, invoice and billing process automation, payroll processing, automated invoice extraction. Zoho Product Services, Zoho Books, Financial Management, Zoho Creator, Custom Applications, Zoho CRM, Business Data Analysis for CXOs. Software Testing and Automation, Manual Testing, Test Automation Framework. DEI Services. 1. Disability Awareness Orientation Session. 2. Sign Language Interpretation Services. 3. Sign Language Bootcamp. 4. Recruiting persons with disabilities. Upskilling for corporate employees with disabilities. Prompt engineering, Microsoft Power Platform tools, Microsoft Office, soft skills.